like when I met Tabu ma'am, she appreciated. She saw, I think, कोई clip देखा होगा उन्होंने dubbing में, तो that's what she said कि you done a very good job. I saw a few your scenes and my was dubbing. अभी पता है बोल के बहुत प्रेशर डाल दिया है.
पहले प्रेशराइज नहीं फील हो रहा था, अभी लोगों ने इतना पूछा कि कितना प्रेशर है तो अभी आ गया है प्रेशर.
And who did you enjoy romancing? शांतनु और सलमान समूह and why? ये दो क्वेश्चंस आए.
I got ये सब बोल ठीक रहे थे. I don't feel bad कि मैं अगर डांस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कुछ नहीं. लेकिन सही टाइम जब आएगा तब मैं should be like watch films. मुझे अजय सर की पुरानी फिल्म जैसा कुछ हम सोच रहे हैं कि young अजय सर कैसे थे, so people want to like remember him as that.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtaza Iqbal and today I am with two young actors जिनको हम जल्द ही मूवी में देखेंगे. औरों में कहा दम था, where I'm talking about none other than Shantanu Maheshwari and Sai Mansarekar.
Thank you.
Hi,
Thank you.
Welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, you know, I know कि इतने इंटरव्यूज कर लिए होंगे, बहुत से ऐसे repetitive questions होंगे, इसलिए I want to start to asking you guys. ऐसा कोई एक चीज जो मूवी के बारे में ना अभी तक बताया नहीं है, but you guys actually want कि भाई ऑडियंस तक वो बात पहुंचे, वो क्या है?
हमने से बताया तो है. हम we are being very honest and there have been few interesting interviews I would say that we have हमने बताया नहीं है.
Maybe about the movie, about your casting, anything.
We have covered most of the things.
Yeah, we're such honest people, bro. सब बता दिया.
हाँ यार.
सब बता दिया.
Open book we are, yeah, at this point.
Correct. So then फिर मैं शुरू कर देता हूँ अपने वाले questions. How much pressurized are you guys feeling to portray the young version of Tabu ma'am and Ajay sir? They are legends.
अभी पता है बोल के बहुत प्रेशर डाल दिया है.
पहले प्रेशराइज नहीं फील हो रहा था, अभी लोगों ने इतना पूछा कि कितना प्रेशर है तो अभी आ गया है प्रेशर.
हाँ, like I don't know how. अभी आपने जब क्वेश्चन पूछा तब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हिट किया कि हाँ यार मतलब. But honestly, when we are filming for this, we didn't feel any kind of pressure because Neeraj sir was very sorted in terms of ये क्या चाहिए उनको from the character and how he's looking young Krishna and young Vasu. So I think उसके वजह से इतना pressure उस समय नहीं feel हुआ honestly. कल तक भी नहीं हुआ था but मुझे तो अभी आपके इस क्वेश्चन से बहुत प्रेशर फील हुआ कि ओ ला या पीपल विल थिंक कि अरे प्ले कर पाए कि नहीं. बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ हम जो कर रहे हैं वो अलग टाइमलाइन में, वो जो कर रहे हैं अलग टाइमलाइन में. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स विल चेंज एंड व्हाटएवर यू नो हाउएवर स्टोरी टेक्स यू and yeah, people change when things happens to them in their life.
What about you?
No, I think I was feeling very pressurized in the beginning. I'd taken a lot of like pressure and stress and I was like chewing my nails off in the beginning. But then I feel like once we started doing workshops with Neeraj sir, started doing a lot of workshops together, there was that level of comfort. There was also a certain sense of security कि you know Neeraj sir है तो वो संभाल लेंगे. So I feel like all of that really helped in like calming everyone down and giving their best.
But what was the prep type like, you know, because though I know कि बहुत different timelines में है, but you know of course एक mannerism होगा जैसे अजय सर चलते हैं, maybe वो आपका चलना तो change नहीं होगा कितने सालों के बाद. Same thing with you, you know, तब्बू मैम का जो character है, when तब्बू मैम is playing, वो थोड़ा mannerisms कैसे catch की, वो prep क्या था basically इस movie के लिए आप लोग का?
कुछ जगह है जहाँ पे मैनरिज्म पकड़ा है, जहाँ पर सर वांटेड मी टू यू नो गेट इनटू दैट लिटिल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इट. ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा आई वुड नॉट से, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट में मैंने पूछा था सर को कि लाइक शुड बी लाइक वॉच फिल्म्स. मुझे अजय सर की पुरानी फिल्म जैसा कुछ हम सोच रहे हैं कि यंग अजय सर कैसे थे, सो पीपल वांट टू लाइक रिमेंबर हिम एज दैट. तो उन्होंने बोला नहीं, आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. सो बट कुछ मैनरिज्म येस, सो दैट बहुत ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस ना लगे. सो या मतलब कुछ जगह पे किया वो हो जाता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से प्रेप कैसे किया, बिकॉज उसकी कोई ऐसे एक्सरसाइज नहीं है. इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एंड देन यू हैव योर डायरेक्टर एंड असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स हु कैन लाइक यू नो हेल्प यू आउट देयर. या सो मेरे लिए तो ऐसा था यार. सही.
I think one very small thing that Neeraj sir told me is because Tabu ma'am's a lefty and I'm a righty. She's like, just try doing things with your left maybe, because you know naturally it shouldn't look like very different कि ये सब right से कर रही है और तब्बू मैम सब लेफ्ट से कर रही थी. I think that was the one thing that was told, but otherwise there was not much pressure put on कि you have to get the mannerisms right and you have to you know copy exactly how they walk and talk. No, it was just a lot of freedom was given also because Neeraj sir knew exactly what he wanted to do and what he wanted to get out of us. So I think that was really a lovely process and we struck that balance really well.
Have they both told you anything? अगर ट्रेलर देखा है, आई थिंक उन्होंने अगर मूवी देख ली है, तो have they both told you anything about your performances?
Like when I met Tabu ma'am, she appreciated. She saw, I think, कोई clip देखा होगा उन्होंने dubbing में, तो that's what she said कि you done a very good job. I saw a few of your scenes while I was dubbing. So I was like wow. बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. सर से अजय सर से बात नहीं हुई about this. So yeah, I don't know.
Not really spoken about it, but I hope it's all good things. I mean, now that you've said that, now I really want to know their opinion. And
actually,
now I really want to know.
He's asking us question where we are like doubting ourselves.
सन कर दे रहे हमको, हाँ.
Right. शांतनु, संजय लीला भंसाली, नीरज पांडे, have you decided कि मैं तो top filmmakers के साथ ही काम करूँगा?
I hope आपकी बात ऐसे सच हो and but more importantly, I hope I get to work with them also again. I mean, I think the change and the process that they have when they have introduced me to, I think I love it, and I'm so happy that I'm getting chance to work with these kind of directors, legendary directors.
So you know, I would like to know, of course, starting with Salman sir, उनके साथ एक romance करना. Then of course you worked with other actors also, and now Shantanu.
They had to work with me.
नहीं, I never said that. I said other actors also, and then Shantanu.
I'm just kidding.
But I want to know कि I know that he's a superstar, but Shantanu और सलमान से में कभी कोई similarity दिखी है?
What? That's something I've never sat and thought about.
And whom did you enjoy romancing? Shantanu और सलमान से more, and why? ये दो questions आए.
My God, ये tough बोल फेंक रहे थे.
But I mean,
कि
a
मेरे को
tough
वापस
spot.
break लेना पड़ेगा, मैं जा रही हूँ रूम में.
हाँ, black coffee दो ना कोई. मेरे को नींद आ रही है.
मैंने last time भी बोला था.
He's asking us difficult questions. For that reason, she's out.
No. Similarity between Shantanu and Salman. Both their names are with the letter S.
Oh wow.
Yeah, nice. अच्छी बात है.
And
ये भी आता है कहीं ना कहीं.
हाँ, S आता है, A आता है, N आता है, हाँ, M.
Nice, very nice.
इसकी last name है लेकिन Shantanu.
नाम तो नाम ही होता
हाँ
है.
ठीक है, sorry. And your second question I'm not gonna answer.
अरे भाई.
No यार, I can't, he's sitting right here, he'll feel bad. It's
अच्छा,
Salman.
मतलब
I will not feel
अच्छा.
bad. Hey, I mean, but she has romance with Salman Khan. Why will you not say that?
And he gave me my first break. I'll always be very grateful. Yeah, it's not fair.
So now put her in situation. I have to put you
I'll
also.
start crying now.
Tell me one similarity between her and Alia, and whom did you enjoy romancing more on screen?
They both are nice people, nice human beings. I think they're good human beings.
Yes.
They're grounded. That's something which is very much similar between both of them. Who I enjoyed romancing, there was a different romance with her, Alia Bhatt. There was a different romance with her. So yeah, I enjoyed romancing with both the ladies.
Good. The diplomatic answer is the only way to go in these tough situations.
Like, but I'm honestly saying this.
Oh. I'm sorry, I didn't say. I mean, I said I won't answer. He forced me to.
But I am happy. But it's Salman Khan, yeah.
So please, के लिए coffee, please.
मैं रोने लग जाऊंगी कभी.
Shantanu, you know, I want to understand this. We all know you that you're a superb dancer, okay? And but चाहे फिर वो गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी में हो, and here I don't know अभी तो हमने कोई ऐसा dance song देखा है नहीं. I don't know अगर होने वाला है कि नहीं. But why is it like? Don't you tell filmmakers like संजय सर के तो गाने amazing ही होते हैं, but don't you tell filmmakers कि सर मैं कहीं dance कर सकता हूँ? मुझे big screen पे भी अपने आप को dance करते हुए देखना है.
नहीं, I'm fine, यार. I mean, कोई नहीं. I think देर आए दुरुस्त आए. That is something which is good. I mean, movies में मुझे entry मिली देर से. I'm happy the way it happened. Yeah. So I think I don't force or I don't feel bad कि मैं अरे dance नहीं कर पा रहा है कुछ नहीं. Maybe सही time जब आएगा तब मैं करूँगा. तो that is fine. सही time आना चाहिए. That's fine. If the story requires it. Otherwise ज़बरदस्ती क्यों? एक होता है ना ज़बरदस्ती यूज़ कर लो just because current है. क्यों यूज़ करना? नहीं ज़रूरत ही नहीं है हमको तो क्यों करना है? So I think promotions में मैं फिर अपनी भड़ास निकालता हूँ.
So basically, he says no dance today.
No, I make you not dance at times. इधर से उधर ऐसे ऐसे
हाँ,
कुछ
हाँ,
करके
हाँ।
या when you have to give visual shapes,
करेक्ट भड़ास मेरे पे उतारते हो मतलब
हाँ, लगता है वैसे ही है ना
But Sai is also a good dancer.
No,
I
no,
have
मतलब,
dancer, so why not? Why did
she
you make that
is.
face? You're not a good dancer. You don't think that you're a good dancer.
I mean,
You just made a bad face and I have danced with you. That's why I'm saying you're a good dancer.
if you say so, thank you.
अच्छा, okay. She's being very modest. हाँ, मैं तो मतलब मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं करूँगी दूसरों को करने दो.
But that's how it should be. I mean, you shouldn't be out there. मैं तो अच्छा डांसर हूँ यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो? I don't know. I mean, that's sweet of her, I would say.
Yes. Because of course starting with such a big blockbuster, then unfortunately बीच में कुछ movies नहीं चलती. How do you manage that? And of course there is a father there at home.
Yeah.
Do you go and talk to him? Okay, you know, this didn't work out. What should I do? How should I take my future forward? Do you talk to him like that?
Not really. Most dinner table conversations are just about what work we're going to do ahead. We don't. I think I learned this from him only. First of all, if it's about work, then it's about what work we're going to do. Otherwise, it's like a thing in my house where you leave work outside. You don't bring it home because somebody had told me once that if you were going to an office, would you keep bringing your work home? Now I know that this becomes a life and lifestyle, but it's something that's followed in my house a lot. That okay, if you're feeling a certain way, obviously you can go talk to them. It's not like baat hi nahi karni, but you leave work at home and come and have your real life and have a real conversation on the dinner table, and that's always been there.
But you know, last time I remember you had told me that when I asked you that अभी तक आपने उनके साथ काम क्यों नहीं किया अपने father के साथ, you had told me that he's a taskmaster and you want to prepare yourself
And that's
for
what
to
I
be a
want.
part of his movie.
Yeah.
But do you think now you're prepared?
I mean, there's also the preparation part and there's also the part that he's also busy, I'm also busy, तो time ही नहीं मिल रहा है. Which touch wood is a good thing. Keep working, keep working.
But honestly, I as a director, is he a taskmaster? I think he's
I mean, she only
very
told me last
sweet.
time that he is a
No,
taskmaster.
he's very sweet. He's not a taskmaster in person.
I think he's just very passionate, is what I
Yeah,
feel.
he needs things done a certain way.
हाँ, मतलब which
And
all
I feel
passionate
like,
directors, I think.
I mean, I
feel
would
like.
do that. Like, I would work hard and do that. But today, doing it for somebody who's not your father, you take it more seriously. Because then, when it comes to your father, you kind of take it for granted, no?
Yeah.
That's what I want to overcome. I don't want to take it like, "Arey, papa hi hai."
Yeah.
That's.
Correct. So of course, before I wrap up this Q&A, I want to know कि औरों में कहाँ दम था तो है ही next movie. What other projects you guys are working on right now?
Oh, you're waiting for me?
So
I don't know. I
futuristic
can't say.
something.
I don't know if I can say the name. But I'm starting on the 1st of July.
Oh, you're starting a
Yeah,
project.
yeah.
Nice. Which project is this?
I just said I don't know. I will need confirmation. हाँ ना. कौन बोल
ये side पे.
ना ना
Nah.
अभी तक नहीं.
What about you, Shantanu? What's next?
I'm shooting for. I will mostly start shooting for a web show, and I have Love in Vietnam,
Yeah.
and there's another project, Crossfire.
You went to Cannes for the.
Yeah, Love in
Yeah.
Vietnam as well, which is the movie, and then I have a Crossfire post that. So अभी तक इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ. Yeah.
And then next director बड़ा वाला होगा वो announcement करेगा.
Hopefully, yes.